Greetings, everyone. Today I will be explaining a little bit about voiced sounds and its definition because these are produced with vibration of the vocal cords. And how can you feel the difference between the voiced and the voiceless sound? Well, you can feel the vibration in your throat or your neck. So one of the suggestions that are made for many years are that you need to put your hands in your neck and you will feel the vibration. To put an example, I would like to use or to say some words that can show you the difference um, with the vibration. For example, the letter B, you will say ball, right? But you need to say B, B. Did you feel the vibration? Yes, I did. Did you touch your neck? B. Yes, bow. Now, let's talk about the letter D. You want to say the word dog, but you need to make the vibration D. Dog, dog. It has a vibration. The letter G for goat, G, G. You feel the vibration here. The letter V, violin, violin, violin. You feel the vibration. Z, zebra, Z, Z. So this kind of words and letters make you feel the vibration, make you and know that you're making a sound, voice sounds. For example, let's say the word money or nose. The N, nose, nose, money, money. So probably some words will not have the same vibration. That's why it's called voiced sound and voiceless sounds because there is a difference between these two. And if you try to do something else, like saying the words clearly, you will see how important it is because it helps you in your day after day, or probably if you like to sing, if you like to shout or talk, the vibrations here will help you know that this is a voiced sound, that it's needed when speaking and when reading. So one of the primary features is that we need to distinguish between individual sounds when it comes to phonetics and phonology. Some words or some letters, such as F, K, P, S, SH, these are going to be voiceless sounds. So the difference between them, it's clear. Voicing can change meaning and help learners contrast what they are hearing. So every time you speak, try to listen clearly, try to feel the vibrations in your neck or in your voice, in your throat, so you can identify if you're actually saying the word properly. Nevertheless, always remember to practice with someone else, someone that can listen and that can correct you in any way that it's needed. Thank you very much. Bye.